There she is. Where's Gianna? Where is Gianna? Peekaboo. Are you hiding from Mommy? Are you hiding? Where's Gianna? Gianna. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Are you playing with your baby behind the chair? You have the baby? Peekaboo. Where's Gianna? Where's my baby girl?
Yeah.
Hi. Where's Gia? Peekaboo. Mommy loves you. Wanna blow kisses? Boo. I love you. Gianna. Where's Gianna? Gianna. Hi, baby. I love you. Boo. What was that? Did you toot? Did you stinker? You're silly. Come show us how big you are. Gianna is 17 months old. Getting to be a big girl. Where's Max? Where's Max? Where's the kitty? Hey, kitty kitties. Oh, she loves Max. She was giving him kisses earlier. Oh, Max. You love Max, don't you? It's my baby girl, Miss Gianna Lee. Oh, kitty. And you say hello? Say hi. Hi. Mommy will send this to Aunt Val. Say hi, Aunt Val. To tell you, Val, she saw your picture the other day. She was carrying a little wallet around of your graduation picture. And she was kissing it. It was quite cute. Alright, you gonna go play? See ya! See ya! Busy girl. Busy, busy, busy bee. Gianna. And give Aunt Val kisses? Gonna give Aunt Val some kisses? We love you, Aunt Val. We miss you. Yep, we miss ya. That was bye. See you later.